Let me ask you something honestly. Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mouth just freezes? You know the words, you know the grammar, but the moment you open your mouth, nothing comes out, or everything comes out wrong. If that sounds like you, this video might completely change how you learn English. Because the problem is not your grammar. The problem is that your mouth is not trained to speak. And today, I'll show you how to fix that. The big truth: why grammar isn't the problem. Most people learning English believe one thing: if I learn more grammar, I'll speak fluently. That sounds logical, but it's completely wrong. Think about this. Did you learn your first language by studying grammar rules? No. You learned it by hearing, copying, repeating, and using it every day. Fluency is not a knowledge problem. Fluency is a muscle problem. Your brain may understand English, but your mouth has never been trained to produce it smoothly. So today, we stop overthinking and start training your mouth. Step 1. Speak before you're ready. This is the hardest rule, but the most important one. Stop waiting to feel ready to speak. You will never feel ready. Fluent speakers didn't become fluent because they spoke perfectly. They became fluent because they spoke imperfectly every day. From today, follow this rule. If you can think it, say it, even if it's wrong. Mistakes are not failure. Silence is. Every sentence you speak trains your mouth. Every second you stay silent keeps you stuck.
Step 2. Daily loud speaking. Non-negotiable. Here's something most learners never do. They never speak English out loud. Thinking in English is good. Listening is good. But fluency comes only when your mouth moves. Every day, do this for 10 to 15 minutes. Speak to yourself. Describe what you're doing. Talk about your day. Explain your thoughts out loud. For example, I'm making coffee right now. I'm tired today, but I need to stay focused. I watched a video earlier and it was interesting. It may feel awkward, but awkward is where growth begins. Step 3. Copy native speakers exactly. This is a secret fluent speakers use. Stop learning English. Start copying English. Choose podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, movies or TV shows. Then do this. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it exactly. Same speed, same emotion, same rhythm. Don't translate. Don't analyze grammar. Just copy. This trains pronunciation, sentence flow, natural confidence. Fluency is rhythm, not rules. No. Step 4. Kill this bad habit immediately. This habit is destroying your fluency, translating in your head before speaking. When you do this, you slow down, you panic, you lose confidence. Native speakers don't translate, they react. So instead of translating, do this. Learn full phrases, not single words. Not, how are you? But, how are you doing? Not, I don't understand. But, I'm not sure I understand. Think in chunks, not pieces. Time. Step 5. Speed over perfection. Here's a rule fluent speakers follow unconsciously. Say it fast, even if it's wrong. Slow speech creates fear. Fast speech creates flow. When you speak slowly, your brain has time to doubt you. When you speak faster, your instincts take over. Fluency lives in momentum. Confidence comes after action, not before it.
Step 6. Build a daily speaking routine. Here's a simple routine you can follow starting today. Morning, 5 minutes. Say basic sentences about your plans for the day. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Repeat sentences from a video or podcast. Night, 5 minutes. Speak about what happened today. That's it. 15 minutes a day, Every day, no excuses. Fluency is built through consistency, not talent. Final mindset shift. This changes everything. Let me tell you something important. Fluent English speakers are not smarter than you. They're just less afraid of sounding wrong. Your accent is not a problem. Your mistakes are not a problem. Fear is the problem. The moment you decide, I will speak, even if I sound stupid, you start becoming fluent. So, remember this. Don't train your grammar. Train your mouth. Speak daily. Speak loudly. Speak imperfectly. And fluency will follow. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more real practical English advice. And comment below, I will speak English every day. I'll see you in the next video.